Hi there, Chris here. I have this ISEO. It's a little 5-pinner Euro. I was watching Lockmania do his Naughty Bucket episode, one of his Naughty Bucket episodes, and he didn't get it. He did a good attempt on it, and he didn't know if there were spools in it or not, because he wasn't ever getting false sets. And I said, well, I have a couple of these, and I would pick it. I have picked it before, a long, long time ago. And I do believe there's spools in there. So I said I would do a video, pick it and gut it. That's the bitting on the key. It's all 5-pinner. So let's see if I can get into this and see what's in it. So if you haven't checked out Lockmania, you live under a rock. I just use my regular pick, top of the keyway, light tension. So far I haven't gotten into a false set, but I haven't set much. That feels like one is set. Nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5. And I may rake this to just speed it up. Okay, now I'm in a bit of a false set. I believe it was 4, but I was just sort of dancing around in there, so I'm not really sure. I'm on pin 5. It feels like counter. Let's see what else we have. 2 feels like counter. 1 feels like it's set. I'm gonna go, well, I just let off 2 a little bit, and I believe I got a deeper false set. So let's try 5. I think it's counter. Well, maybe 2 again. Whoops. Lost my false set. See if I can get that up again here. Guess I should zoom in so you can kind of see what I'm doing. If I remember correctly, I don't think I've ever picked through the spools without having, them get stuck. Of course, having said that, watch me do it. Okay, I think that was 4, and I'm in a false set again, so. Is that 1 or 2? Somebody. I don't think it's 1. Sorry. Phooey. Let's try raking it. That's not doing it. Okay, I'm in a deep false set. Let's see. Nope. Shoot. Bit of a false set. Nope, keeps fooling me. Kind of like an Abus. What else we got here? I think this is what I'm looking for. The double peak. Maybe a worm. It's a soft worm. Probably not hard enough. There we go. Okay, so let's see what's in here. We'll zoom back out again a little bit. I'd say 2 spools, maybe a little bit more. I used to be able to pick this a lot easier, single pin pick it pretty quickly, but like I say, it's been a while. Whoa. Where's my pins? Okay, 5 pins. Everybody had to be picked. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 4. Oops, like 4 is the long one. Yeah. If I can get my tweezers. So those are all standard. Up top, we have spool in 1, spool in 2, jeez, spool in 3, spool in 4, and a standard in 5. So with all those spools, and here we have, I think, copper springs. With all those spools, you would think we'd have more falsettes sooner, but it just doesn't. It doesn't pick like it has a lot of spools. So there's the pins, and there's the key again. And that's the ISEO. Has it, whoops, made in Italy. All right, Mr. Lockmania. That's what's in mine. I do have the other half of this. I think I'll pick that and see if that is any different. I'll do that off camera. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, leave a comment, and I will see you next time.